Whether you're a doctor or not, you could relate to the fact that we can easily lose the work-life balance. And when it's lost, it can be difficult to find our true self, losing life satisfaction. This is why making a small effort to keep this work-life balance is worth it. The main big sectors of our life can be divided into 4 parts: work, health, relationship, and hobbies. And if you're watching this video, probably you're like myself. 1 or 2 of these sectors is lacking. My sleep cycle is disrupted, I'm not having enough time to work out, and my diet wasn't at its best lately. And this is happening because I was pushing too much the work sector. High expectations forced me to compromise my health part. To cure this imbalance, I suggest the following tips. Tip number 1, divide your day into timed tasks. So this implies 2 things. A, you should divide your day into tasks, and B, you should set time limits. Don't give yourself the whole day to finish a project. For example, when you wake up and decide you want to work on your research paper, don't simply say, yeah, today I'm gonna work on my research paper. This is good, you set a goal, but it's not enough. It's preferable to set 2 activities that are from different life sectors. For example, work and health. And to make it work, it's preferable to set deadlines. Let's take the scenario. You wake up, you allocate 3 to 4 hours on this research paper, you take a break, and after it, you set a specific time for your workout, whether you finished your project or not. I think that most of us, the imbalance is tipped towards work. Didn't you ask yourself why? Because we are obliged to deliver the expectations at work, or else something bad might happen. What if you think about your relationships the same? What if you didn't meet with your friends once or twice weekly, something ugly might happen? Because it's true, in the long run something bad might happen. This will compromise your work-life balance and your mental health. Besides losing some awesome friends that are watching the channel, of course. Tip number 2, make a list of the things you enjoy. You can't imagine how many times I forgot what I like to do in my free time. I could spend the whole night at the hospital wondering about a nice mountain trip or a hike. But when I have a free weekend, I simply sit at home and do nothing, not knowing what to do exactly. I feel pressured to enjoy my day and recharge before starting a new week, but I find myself doing nothing at the end. So I started this habit of making a list of the things I enjoy. Even if it is a simple gathering with the family, I make sure that everything is ready and set. I updated this list constantly and I planned ahead the weekend. Sometimes all what it takes is a phone call to a friend to set a time and date for this hike. Tip number 3, cut out the time-wasting activities. If you're working too hard, probably you are pressured by a deadline. And coincidence, you manage to finish almost every time 1 second before the deadline. Well, not precisely. You are in fact wasting a lot of valuable time. To finally find yourself stretched to your limits, I believe you should put some limits on these never-ending scrolls on social media and binge-watching series. In fact, these activities don't fit in any of the 4 main parts of life that we've mentioned before. They serve no real purpose. Don't get me wrong, I do like to watch some movies and series from time to time, but binge-watching and investing a lot of time there is not doing me any good. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.